Alrighty guys, we got a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis in. We're going to be installing a Power Acoustik 7002NR. It's a 7-inch hang down DVD, CD player, USB auxiliary stereo. And that's how it should look, guys. And they always come with a real nice box. And honestly, these stereos are very nice, and they're very popular as far as in the car audio community. I mean, the car club community down here. They handle the views. I have guys that are heavy SPL guys. Good. Okay, well, like yesterday, the silver Chrysler. The one with the 32-inch TV on the back. This is what he has. This is what was in his head unit for his stereo system, and this is what controls all the TVs. Obviously, after the out for the video, we have a video amplifier. But I mean, other than that, this is what was in there. I mean, this is also what's in the white Lincoln as well. This is exactly what he has. The 7002 NR. It's a very good unit. I have nothing but good things to say about this. It holds up to the big boys. Put them side by side in a dark room, you can't tell the difference. Okay, well that's it right there, guys. Beautiful. He's gonna love it. Right there's the USB, the auxiliary, the IR for the remote for it to receive the signal. The menu. There was DVD, that right there, iPod, TV tuner, USB, audio video in, auxiliary system, the lights, and the exit back to the radio. You should love it. Also, guys, we're going to be selling these pretty soon as well. Give us a call. Let us know where you're at, and we can have these drop shipped to you as soon as possible. Anywhere in, the United States or wherever, Canada, Hawaii, we'll send it to you guys. Wherever you guys are at, we'll make sure we get them to you, and ship them out pretty fast. But give us a call. That's how many amps our alternator is producing. It is producing almost 80 amps right there. Success. That's what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see. And obviously, that's just to help out. This 80 amps are just for right now. It's running the AC system, some of the lights that are inside the interior. That's how much it is alone for the car. Imagine when the headlights are on, the HIDs, the sound system's pounding. The alternator is going to give out what it requires. So yeah, that's it right there, man. It's freaking awesome. That is awesome. And also FLUKE, baby, FLUKE quality tools. How you gonna know? How you gonna measure amperage, huh? That guy right there, the one that's measuring amperage, that goes up to 1,000 amps DC. Not only AC but DC. So that's how you know, guys. If you want to get it done professional and installed correctly, come on over and see us. Right now, as soon as we put the sound system in there in the radio, We'll go ahead and crank it up and see how much we got out. That's out of the one that I installed. Let's see how much the factory alternator is putting out. Get it warm, get it warm. $120 amps. That sucker's sending back out. And the main reason it's so high is because his front battery from jamming out so much, it's dead already. His battery, I have to jump it with 200 amps to even get it turned over. So that's one thing he's got to get. I mean, we also have Optima yellow top batteries, good deep cycle batteries. We could discharge them and charge them right back up. But check that out, guys. Check that out. Proof. And honestly, the factory alternator is not even doing anything anymore. The second alternator is the one doing all the power now. The factory alternator is actually getting power back from our alternator that we installed. The factory alternator is not even running anymore. Crazy. That's what we're about, folks. That's what we're about. Okay, let's take out our alternator. Let's go ahead and go to the factory one. See right there, it's saying negative. We're sending back positive amps towards his alternator. Okay, let's take it off. Right there, his turned back on, and now his is sending 100 amps back into the system. Right now, ours is off right there. Alrighty guys, we have a 2005 Ford F-150 that came yesterday, and we already ordered what he needed as far as for his box. We're going to be putting 210s Pioneer downfire box. He had the Pioneers, I know, man. We're going old school, dude. But he still got some, they're in fairly, good condition. Man, dude, this is whenever, honestly, they were making good equipment, dude. Very good subwoofers, man. Okay, there it is right there. Man, this is when subs were subs, dude. Look at the magnet on that guy. Those got screws. And as you can tell, Pioneer still hasn't stopped doing that. They still put them in the box for you. But look how deep that cone is. Look how deep. That's nice, man. The new ones are like popping out already. But look at that magnet, man. Look at that magnet. A magnet that large diameter, no, man. That's no longer realistic as far as feasible for them to manufacture and make a good profit on. And look at the back of the plate. Look at that T-plate. The T-foam, sorry. Man, look at that bump. That bump is huge. Jeez. And then right here as well. This is pretty much where the voice coil sits right there. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. Okay. Oh, and then we're going to be hooking it up with a DLS Classic Series CA23. Phenomenal amp. This is a powerful little amp right here, man. The fuse rating is 60 amps. For a sub, look at the woofer. Just to put it into perspective, it's small. It's got a lot of power. It's like 200 watts RMS, 250 watts RMS. Easy. DLS, they underrate all their stuff. Very good stuff. On the amplifiers, I'm very happy with the amplifiers. Other products, not so impressed. Not so impressed. And it's sad because European, they ought to try to keep it up there with their other brothers, I guess you would say. But nevertheless, very good amplifier, and our accessories for the power and the signal. The awesome thing about it, he has a nice Pioneer deck with full range out, so we should make it sound awesome. We've got the green light.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model chick. Yellow model sipping. Yellow Lamborghini. Yellow listen. Yeah, that shit look like.
We ride 22s are better. We ride 22s are better. That's why they know, that's why they know them. That's why they know, that's why
Alrighty guys, it's done. Button everything back up. There's the wiring that goes into the subwoofers right there. And that right there is the box. Beautiful, beautiful. No wiring, no nothing like that. Nothing sticking out, no panels up where they shouldn't be. Everything nice and buttoned up. Nice and out of the way. The amplifier's out of the way as well right there. So if you guys got amplifiers where somewhere installed and it's hitting the feet of the kids or people putting the feet up on it, come on over and we'll fix that for you guys. We'll install it correctly for you. No wiring, radio got removed and put back in, like there was nothing, I mean, even wrong with it. So yeah guys, let's turn it into the customer.